CTC Union's industrial-grade product line continues to mature with their addition of 4G LTE router and Wi-Fi gateway devices, higher port count EN50-155 switches for transportation, rack-mounted IEC 61850 switches for power substation, and new industrial-grade electrical port-based rack-mount switches with or without PoE Plus capability. All industrial products are fanless and hardened for wide temperature use in harsh industrial environments. CTC Union deployment solutions cover the markets of security, factory automation, power utility, train, smart city, and intelligent transportation systems. CTC synchronous Ethernet switches incorporate temperature-controlled crystal oscillators to support physical layer clock transfer with precise frequency for synchronized applications such as financial transactions, electronic trading, power grids, industrial automation, test and measurement, as well as robotic control. Modern transportation systems for rail are now incorporating many IoT devices, including PoE IP cameras, wireless access points for hotspot, voice-over IP communications, monitoring, and digital signage. Ethernet switches provided by CTC Union for this rolling stock segment include EN50-155 certifications, utilize rugged M12 connectors, provide a wide range for DC power connections, and include special features such as automatic port bypassing and Train Topology Discovery Protocol, or TTDP. CTC Union provides two industrial-grade 4G LTE router products. One, designed with 3 Ethernet ports along with DIDO and serial services that connect over cellular network and make this model ideal for industrial IoT, machine-to-machine communications, SCADA, digital signage, kiosk, and ITS applications. A second 4G LTE product incorporates an IEEE 802.11b, G, N, or AC Wi-Fi router with GPS, which makes it ideal for city transit systems or fleet management. Both units provide static and dynamic routing with RIP1 or 2 or OSPF. They provide NAT, port forwarding, a firewall, and use high-level industrial-grade components in their design.